Here is the QUESS program, designed for employees involved in the compounding of non-sterile and sterile preparations. In 2012, 3 batches of contaminated medication were distributed in 23 American states, leading to an outbreak of meningitis and resulting in the deaths of more than 100 people. This accident serves as a reminder to pharmacists of the importance of diligently respecting safety measures as well as policies and procedures. The QUESS program is an innovation of BCE Pharma, a company that provides pharmacists with the tools to render their practices more secure and to evaluate the competence of their staff. QUESS meets current Canadian standards and is dedicated to both pharmacy and cleaning personnel. The program is designed on a blended approach, combining virtual and in-person training activities. 2 categories of compounding are available to learners. The first category covers the compounding of non-sterile preparations, whereas the second comprises sterile preparations, including non-hazardous and hazardous drugs. All course paths begin with an online theoretical portion. Learners interact during the presentations through innovative activities, followed by questionnaires, ensuring that critical information has been assimilated. Then, during the practical segment, training and evaluation are performed using detailed competency assessment grids accessible on an iPad. Learners will be awarded an attestation of achievement upon successful completion of the training program. In most cases, they can obtain continuing education credits. The QUESS program offers a proven evaluation structure, a certificate renewal follow-up system, access to reference documents and interactive learning activities available 24 hours a day. QUESS stands out through its unique pedagogical strategy and effective and paperless employee record management system. Be proactive. Call BCE Pharma today for further details. BCE Pharma, your partner for compounding non-sterile and sterile preparations.